Hello my beautiful family, welcome back to my channel where we talk about beauty tips, makeup, hair, decoration, and travel. So I do a bit of everything basically. So today I'm going to be single braiding my hair, box braiding. This is box braiding for beginners as I haven't done it in a while for myself, so here we go. I'm just going to show you how I get into it. So I'm just trying to grow my hair because I'd shaved everything off into some styles, and I decided to grow it out now and get it back to where it normally is, as I miss catching my hair up in a ponytail and doing such things. So this is me doing my protective styles, and I'll be showing you a bit on the process of how I do so. As you see here, I've sectioned my hair into 4 pieces, well, 4 sections I should say, and I use Shine and Gem as you see there, and I just use it to keep the hair down. So once I part it and I'm ready to braid it, I use my Shine and Jam to kind of hold it in place because my hair is natural now and I'm growing it out. So just put just a bit, you don't need much, just tip your finger in it, and then you just hold on to the hair just so it keeps it all in place and smooth sailing. So here we go. Now this style took me about 6 hours, give or take, and your hands do hurt, I won't lie, because I haven't done it in a minute, as I said before. So yeah, so I just thought about showing you guys how I even treat my hair to get it to grow back the way it is now. It's growing, and I'm almost at where, actually I'm a little distance from where I want it to be honest. I'm just gonna grow it down to about where my bra strap ends. So not too long, not too short, just enough. That's easy to handle, because when it's too long it's very hard to handle. So yeah, so this is me just doing the box braid. So I just part it in sections. You make sure you have everything you need, an elastic or a pin just to hold the hair out of your way. That way you can get smooth sailing through your hair and you can go pretty quickly with it. I did enjoy doing it for myself for a change. Saved a lot of money honestly by doing it yourself, but hey, when everything's open back to the salons, I probably will go. Can't even get my nails done or nothing, so we're still under lockdown here in Toronto. So for now I'm just gonna be doing my thing on my own. So for this process I will put what I use in my hair in the description box to tell you how I did it, like what I used in the process. As you know, I use the Shine and Jam, and to house my scalp I just use 100% pure castor oil, straight from the motherland, straight from Jamaica, you know. I went there and I brought a few back, and when I ran out, my sister is kind enough to ship me some also from that Rastafarian guy around the airport area. So he sells the natural ones, and yeah, you should look him up. He's a good guy.
We're gonna give it to them just as them know it.
I just get this all sorted
Tell them
out.
something.
So I just put a little bit of the Shine and Gem on my tips, my fingers, and I just rub it over the hair, my own hair, and I braid it on just to keep everything neat and, you know,
this is my life and I'm trotting right through.
styling. There we
No
go.
one can tell us where we have to go. This is my life and I live it how I want to do. Tell me what to do. I hold my head high cause every road's are blessed, and I never leave my yard without 100 bag of cess. Cause the vibes we made the pan is one of consciousness. Don't get me wrong, I'm here to spread love, not to impress. The world we're living in now is in distress. So Babylon, you have to come and clean up your mess. To take this reggae music here and just to use it as a vest to keep we all afloat until the day we can rest. This is my life and I'm charting life's road. No one can tell us where we have to go. This is my life and I live it how I want to. Don't tell me what to do. This is my life and I'm charting life's road. No one can tell us where we have to go. This is my life and I live it how I want to. Don't tell me what to do. They try to blame us our society. Everything they say sound like a lie to me. Why would people try and hide the truth from we? Yo, a hypocrite them. Think think them know the root, but them don't even know the stem. So feel the breeze, smoke the trees, don't you lie on your TVs, cause the info where you get to where they want you see. They're wicked, and that's why them ban marijuana. Don't want you to open up your eyes and see what one, yeah. Them a mass murderer, killing off the people in the television, just to fill them pocket heavier. Seem like it's night and day, from what is real and what they say. This is my life and I'm charting life's road. No one can tell us where we have to go. This is my life and I live it how I want to. Don't tell me what to do. This is my life and I'm charting life's road. No one can tell us where we have to go. This is my life and I live it how I want to. Don't tell me what to do. Yeah, I hold my head high cause every road's are blessed. And I never leave my yard without the 100 bag of cess. The vibes with me, the pan is one of consciousness. Don't get me wrong, I'm here to spread love, not to impress. The world we're living in now is in distress. So Babylon, you have to come and clean up your mess. You take the second music here and just use it as a vest. To keep we all afloat until the day we can rest. This is my life and I'm charting life's road. No one can tell us where we have to go. This is my life and I live it how I want to. Don't tell me what to do. This is my life and I'm charting life's road. No one can tell us where we have to go. This is my life and I live it how I want to. Don't tell me what to do.
No, I wear this dress because the hair doesn't stick to it, and I hate when hair stick to me whenever you're doing your hair. So I always wear this dress because it just slides off it and it doesn't stick. So yeah, here we go. I'm just almost at the top. It's working my way. It is like pleasuring to do it, and it is tiresome at the same time. So, and at the ends, like once I get to the end of my hair, what I do is I kind of dip my finger into the echo gel to smoothen the rest to go all down to the bottom so that it stays all, where it should be. And at the beginning of my video, you'll notice I show you a clip of how much I cut my hair off, and I really had shaved everything off, and it is just growing back, as you see here. So I just keep doing protective styles just to get it going until it's back to where I want it to be. So keep watching and you'll see how this ends up. And thank you again for watching. Stay tuned.
I've gone so far from the earth, so I knock down all the walls for my rebirth. I've gone so far from looking now, can't believe there's green over my deck, and I'm feeling better than fine. But it took some time, took my mind, and this rock up in the sky. 'Cause this is my life, and I have the word if I want it. Everything on it. This is my life, and I. That's tough, that's tough. That's tough, that's tough. I've gone so far from the earth, so I knocked down all the walls for my rebirth. I've gone so far from the earth, so I knocked down all the walls for my rebirth. And no one can keep me down. No one can break my fall. No one can keep me down. No one can break my fall.
So I'm pretty much almost done here. As you see, I'm just at the top. It didn't turn out, the top didn't turn out as perfect as I wanted, but you know what, my hands are tired, so I give up. But anyways, this is how it is, and there we are when it's done. I hope you like it. Go ahead and try it and let me know what you think. It wasn't that difficult, it's just that I haven't done it in a while and it's tiresome, but I will just put everything in the description, what I used in my hair and the products I use and all that to help my hair grow back. And I will see you guys later. Please like, share, and subscribe. Stay safe and keep away from each other until this COVID thing is over with. All right? Peace out. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Tell your friends about the channel. And let's build up a nice family going here. Thank you for whoever already subscribed and liked and shared. This is the finishing look so far. And yeah, I'm happy with it. What do you think? I'm going to dip it in some hot water and close it up. And this will be my style for a little while. So I hope you like it, and thanks again. Please like, share, and subscribe. I appreciate all of you. And that's my final look for the day.